Kausapin po natin si Attorney Cayosa, so iwan nyo lang bukas yung mikropono natin. Ano? Sige, so ang inyo pong basa dito, Attorney, no, na hindi po pinipigilan ng Korte Suprema ang pagsilbi ng arrest warrant, pero nasa sa desisyon na po ito ng Senado kung papayagan po nila yung pagsilbi ng arrest warrant. May kapangyarihan ho ba silang magsabi na kami ang masusunod, hindi yung NBI?
Hindi po, wala po. Illegal ho yung hadlangan po ang pagsisilbi ng executive branch with any law enforcement agency ng warrant of arrest.
Opo.
Malilang po yan. So yung senador ko kasi, at trabaho niya ang batas, nagagawa ng batas. At trabaho na executive, ipatupad ang batas. So pero kung court order, trabaho na executive, ipatupad ito.
Pero nasa discretion ho ata, Attorney Cayosa, ng NBI. No, narinig po natin si Director Melvin Matibag kanina na sila po ay kusang umalis sa Senado dahil pinakiusapan na rin sila ng Senate President na umalis muna sila at pinagbigyan ito ng NBI. So, kumbaga anong tawag dito? Sinurrender muna ng NBI yung discretion kung isisilbi ang arrest warrant sa Senate leadership. Out of respect.
I don't think ganun ho ibig sabihin niya. Maaari siguro na nag-usap sila para maiwasan muna ang gulo at mabigyan ng lahat na tingnan ang lahat ng detalye, di ba? So, maaaring agree sila na po. Ang operative board muna Kasi hindi mo dapat pwede na yung merong katungkulan sa batas na mag-serve ng warrant. Eh, pag-areglo dun sa huwag mo nakitang arrest, hindi ko pwede yun. Wala ako sa district. Paari lang siguro to prevent a greater injury or a greater wrong. Otherwise, trabaho pa rin nila yun.
Alam mo, Attorney Cayosa, kanina po, no, kasi may mga nagrarally po kanina hapon sa labas po ng Senado. Kasama ho ata si dating Supreme Court Associate Justice Tony Carpio. Nung siya po ay nakapanayam at tinanong nga po sa kanya, ano ba dapat ang liability kunwari ng mga senador kapag pinigilan nila ang pagpapaaresto kay Senador De La Rosa? Ang sabi niya, they can be held liable for obstruction of justice. Ay, teka, Attorney Cayosa.
Okay.
Puputulan po namin ito at papakita po natin si Senator John Vic Rimulya. Live ba ito? Sige.
Politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all believe one nation. The president has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. And I made that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages. And I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone's safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Tudor, Secretary Rimulya, who personally came here. Chief PNP Nartates is here. So as you know, last Monday, po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na that there toward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got
wala.
So sabi ko, believe that is about an hour before that, tumagal lang nation, parating na dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our caucus and to
Nako, lalong madaming
by actions, yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, is not about the impeachment. So at around that time, Mulya, we heard noises, ala ni Senator Villanueva, paputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window. And then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung OSAA na, sir, confirm na may shooter, hanggang dun lang. By that time, tumawag na si Sec Rimulya that calm everyone down, that we're on our way, make sure na papasukin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation, I expressed to the president, who was a senator before he became president, to Sec. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even a building, it's GSIS, but it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you are also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo ma-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the OSA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going for my floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No, I'll be here, and we'll brief you further. No, so we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo. We'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff, no, not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth, and to make sure nga that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
Again, okay, we still have to determine through CCTV footage kung ilan talaga sila. So, we cannot answer that with any definiteness. Okay? That is not conclusive. You'll have to
Respect, nilabel yan, meron ng
Black finish exudes understated luxury and perfect style. The handset details are meticulous and refined.
So, tawag dito mga kababayan, anak ng putik, madaming madidismaya lalo kay John Vic Remulla dito. Biruin mo, hindi nila alam yung shooter. Ito pa, habang binabasa ko yung inyong mga komento dyan, napagtatanto ko, baka nga talagang sila ang gumawa ng shooting na yun. Biruin mo, yung NBI na wala doon sa premises, mga bossing. No? Tapos may putukan. O baka dahil ito doon sa impeachment para nga ma-delay. Base ho doon sa pinagtatagpi-tagpi ko yung mga kinukomento nyo dyan. Ito pa,
independent at no holds barred investigation.
Please do not ask questions that are leading. Okay? Please do not ask questions that are leading. Please do not ask. Wait, dali lang. I'm not done. I am not done yet. Let me talk. Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with the security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant of arrest to be served. Okay? I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay? Please.
What's the walang motive pa, sir?
We do not, you cannot ask questions of any detail because we cannot have answers with that either.
Kung paano po nakapasok?
We do not know either. We have to review the CCTV.
Sir, wala rin nag-person, sir.
Wala. There was a protection lang ang number one ng usahe.
So, one reason we can We're all doing what we can. And OSA is there, the PNP, the binigyan ng SIL.
We are sweeping all the floors. We've asked those non-essential personnel to leave and we will investigate each essential here.
So far, yes. I'll decide so far. Kasi nga, dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any videos kayo na you think it will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial. So, yes.
Thank you. Please submit them to those kung meron cameraman No one was under custody. Wala pa rin.
Ma'am Chick Mendoza, totoo yung sinasabi mo, sila ang nagpapagulo ng
We were
ating bansa.
insecure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga. This is the first time I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially katabi ko si ano ang rules ko, ano constitution, ano batas, ano president.
Is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe?
We're making sure that is now, but I can tell you for me that I feel na cargo ko layout. Walang kamalay-malay dito.
Matagal sila, matagal. Oh. Ito babasahin ko isa-isa yung mga komento ninyo. Tama, etong nakita ko yung kay Top Gun. Oh. Isipin nyo, wala naman, no, ang NBI sa Senado. Wala, dahil nandun sa kabilang building daw ho, mga boss chief amo sir. Siguro talagang gusto nilang makuha, ma-aresto si Bato de la Rosa, kaya pinagpaplanuhan. Talagang, sabi ko sa inyo ako naniniwala ako, hindi na makakalabas ayang si Bato de la Rosa dyan sa Senado. Kung lumabas man ho yan, mga bossing, straight na po yan doon sa isasakay sa eroplano palipad ng ICC, mga kababayan. Kaya